Distinguish between a zig and a fixture. The major difference between zig and fixture is that zig is a type of tool used to control the location or motion of another tool, whereas fixture is a support or a work holding device which is used to hold work in place. In metal and as well in woodworking, both jigs and fixtures are essential tools used. So the perfect answer for this particular question would be zig clamps and locates parts in positive manner and guides cutting tools like drills, reamers, taps, etc. Whereas fixture is bolted or fixed securely to the machine table so that work is in correct location to the cutter or the machine tool. Fixtures are used for mass milling, turning and grinding. What is the main classification of coal? Coal is a combustible black or brownish black sedimentary rock which is formed as rock strata called coal seams. Coal is mostly carbon with variable amount of other elements, chiefly hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen and nitrogen. So its answer would be, according to the rank, the coal is classified as peat, lignite, subbituminous, bituminous and anthracite. Among these ranks, peat has the lowest ranking and anthracite has the highest.